how does this whole egg pandemic thing, does this affect the cattle industry much at all, or is it not a concern?
Well, the concern with the eggs with the bird flu is that it has been found in some dairies. Luckily, as far as the beef cattle operations specifically, we've been fine. Fingers crossed. So far so good. But since it has popped up in some dairies, the good news is, though, it looks like it is pretty confined, it's pretty isolated, and more of those dairies that have been quarantined are being released. So,
because what was the one with the cows years ago? The
mad cow
disease, where they would just see, like seizures of some sort, right?
Yes. And that was just an unfortunate situation as a result of importing beef that were fed the wrong thing. And
because there's a lot of that.
So it definitely wasn't the fault of U.S. beef producers.
So, what they've done is we have these EID tags, and they're electronic, so they can want them, and from that they can tell where these cattle have come from, when they were born, and a lot of that is for biosecurity reasons. So, for instance, I do beef quality assurance certification, and in doing so, I took a class on biosecurity. So you're cognizant of people coming onto your property. A lot of times when a rancher says, hey, you're trespassing, could you please get off our place? A lot of that stems from biosecurity. We have no control where your boots have been. What you've got, noxious weed seeds on your pants, in your dog's hair, or something that could be transferred, the spores from the soil. So the EID allows the rancher to be able to track their animal, and the purchaser then can know where that animal comes from. And that's to guard against and to ensure the security of the product that goes to the marketplace. We're able to trace, we're able to know that if there is an outbreak of any sort of thing, that then they can isolate that cattle operation, because they'll know where those calves have come from, or where those cows have come from. So it's a really good program.